Welcome to Summit Craftwork. My name is Tim and I'm your host of this channel, and I'm excited to show you my life here in the Swiss Alps. High up on the mountain peaks or down in the valleys working on my Swiss chalet, I'm excited to share with you in future videos all the various projects I have going on at the cabin and my adventures in the mountains. It's springtime here, mid-April, and the weather is getting nice. I've got my red shirt on, short sleeves. I'm excited to get to work. So here we are at the back of the cabin. And as we walk behind the wood terrace here that I just finished, I'll show you that in a different video. This area has become a catch-all for materials and different things, and it's not very functional. There's going to be a storage box here, and then I'm going to build a 2-meter tall storage locker for skis and climbing equipment and everything. But I need to get all this stuff cleared out so that I can prepare the ground. It's quite uneven at the moment, and there's a lot of different materials, stone, soil. We have these plates. Basically, this whole area needs to get prepped, and then these stepping stones will get inset into the ground to be more level and of course in line with the tiles leading towards the front. This here is a big pile of extra materials and wood. In a future video, I'll get this whole pile cleaned up. I'll show you what's in there and what I have planned for it. But that will be in a future video. Today, we're going to focus on the stepping stones and preparing this ground to build the storage boxes. Let's get to work, moving some stuff. I'm not sure where it's going to go actually, somewhere in the garden. Now that I've cleared all the broken stepping stones, I'm going to try to dig up and separate this small stone here. I could use this in the future and even lay it back down, but I want to get it out of here for right now. I've cleared out all the stepping stones, the old ones. I've dug up a lot of stones that look like this, about this size. Cleared that all out, and I'm ready to turn the soil so that I can start leveling and grading the way that I want. Soil's all turned up. Now I'm going to take the shovel and level it all out and get ready to put down my new pavers. So it's another day here working at the chalet. I had to stop working the other day because of a rainstorm that dropped snow all over the mountains, and we've got a lot of precipitation down here in the valley. We left off after I had leveled all the dirt, and what I realized after doing that was that I'd actually taken out too much. If you see my white string here, that represents, to the top of the step here, 19 centimeters or 7.5 inches, which is the average step height. So I had to backfill a little bit more dirt, and now I'm going to use the leveling sand to fill in the rest of the pad, so to say, and get it nice and smooth, level, the way that I want it, and then I can place the tiles down on top. Hi.
It's me, Sven.
Sven, neighbor Sven, everyone.
Second boss of the campground here, yeah.
He's coming to check my work, as he usually does at the end of the day. You look good, better than me. So come have a look.
You go down or you coming up? With
Coming up.
Ah, gut.
Yeah.
Then it's okay, ja. Ist ein bisschen gesenkt,
Ja.
aber das ist auch nicht so dramatisch. Oder täuscht das? Ist das eine Optiktäuschung oder it is?
I think it's optisch auch.
Aha.
When you come down here, you can see in the front it's coming down a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, but maybe it's the front platter is optical. That's a Täuschung. The other ones they'll be okay. This one goes.
This
maybe
one is going in, and
Yeah.
yeah, and that's why I want to bring it up.
And you can't because look that it goes out.
Right. Yeah, the whole place. I bought more stones.
Ja.
Comes completely flat.
Cool, gut. Finde ich schön.
Yeah, it's coming along good. I'd like to welcome you back. It's another day working at the chalet here. Over the last couple days, half days worth of work, I went ahead and finished the pavers here in the back behind the terrace. Cut a custom sized piece for that. Filled it all in, got it as even and level as possible. There is a grade going that way. That's the natural grade of the ground here. It is on a hill leading towards a river. So now what I'm working on, I have this bucket here of water. It looks quite dirty because it is full of stones. I cleared all of these out around the terrace before I built it and before I laid all the pavers, and now I'm washing them, getting all of the organic material out, and then placing it back down along the base of the terrace here. That will help secure the slope, hold the bigger pavers in place, and also any water dripping off. Instead of dirt splashing up, you can see it's gotten dirty just from a few weeks of not having any stones here. So I think it'll be a good improvement. I just have these drop cloths down now to protect the pavers while I'm working. So that's where I'm at. I'm about to fill in this section here. I'm gonna get to it. All right, so let's take a look at some of the projects that we accomplished this week. First off, we have the installation of the pavers around the terrace. This is such a nice improvement because all winter, as you can see the soil here, it just turns into a mud pit. So installing pavers here is going to be really nice to be able to just walk directly from the inside of the cabin onto the nice terrace. These pavers, they go all the way around to the back of the terrace here. So this area back here used to just be a few pavers continuing on to behind the cabin there. Now, by flattening out this whole area and putting pavers down, I gained a really good workspace. It's going to be really nice to have a connection from the house to the back of the terrace to this working area. So for me, this is a big improvement and I'm really excited about this one. On the side here, I think this will also become pavers. To continue this, it will just be a step up. And then I need to figure out what to do along the edge of these pavers out to here. Because in the future, all of this will get changed as well and updated. So stay tuned for more. More projects are to come. And sending you greetings from Lauterbrunnen, Switzerland.